Yep, I decided on time lapse. Gotta get the tripod. Sorry, I can't help it. I'm a time lapse photographer. Okay, tripod, 16 to 35. Oh, I forgot the pulse because I'm on the 1DX2. Doesn't have a stupid intervalometer. Okay, time lapse time. What's up, guys? Today's vlog day, and today I'm stoked because I'm in one of my favorite places in the whole world. I'm in the Jemez area, and we're right outside of Jemez, Pueblo, which is in northern New Mexico. And we're checking out the red sandstone right now. I'm gonna do some stuff, maybe put the drone up, and I'm really excited to show you guys what that looks like. But then after that, we're going to White Mesa, and I've been to White Mesa about 1,000,000 times, especially when I was doing a lot of my geology research at UNM. But from a photographer standpoint and from an adventurer standpoint, White Mesa is even better. So let's go check out some really cool landscapes. I'm gonna use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst. All right, so I found a really cool composition. I found this, the road is a nice leading line and it's curving right up to that sandstone there where all the nice cross bedding is on top. And lady behind the camera has a nice blue shirt on, so I'm gonna stick her a little ways down on the road there, and the blue shirt should pop real nice against the red ground. So let's see what that looks like. All right, that was okay, but I think I found something better, and I would, yeah. Lady behind the camera found this composition, so all credit goes to her. That one was cool, but this one has a much more interesting background going on with the gap between the rocks. And then I found this leading line right here that's gonna go up to her, and then she's gonna be standing there. And then the way that the blue goes down from the sky, and then the blue from her shirt comes up. I think that looks kind of cool, so this will be better. It's not optimum light, but I can't stay here for sunset because I gotta be somewhere else. So we're gonna get this shot and then move on to White Mesa. Dusty out here. All right, we made it to White Mesa and we're hiking up there. So White Mesa is one of the best biking trails in the Southwest. This place is amazing. I ride my bike out here a lot. Sadly, I did not bring my bike today, just a camera. But we got a lot of clouds rolling in right now. Earlier, there wasn't a cloud in the sky, which is typical, and it said partly cloudy. And we thought the weather was crazy, but now we have clouds. So we have about 1.5 hours until golden light and just under 2 hours until sunset. And I think sunset's gonna be incredible. If the clouds stay like this, it's gonna be incredible. All right, I gotta put this down because I'm still not used to vlogging with a 1D yet. It's heavy and my little chicken arm needs help. So let's get hiking. One more really cool thing. See all of this stuff? That's gypsum. That's the same stuff that's at White Sands. This stuff is everywhere. That's why they call it White Mesa. That's what they do out here. They mine the gypsum. Love this stuff. I know you can't see me right now. I did that on purpose so you can see these clouds because they're getting epic. We're gonna have some good God rays coming down here pretty soon. If that sun gets underneath that stuff, I'll be very happy. All right, let's keep going. All right, we made it to the Dragon's Back. That's the name of this trail that goes out along that ridge. And if you've been following me for a while, you may recognize this shot, which we did obviously right here. And we did that last summer. Also, this is too good of an opportunity to pass up. Marvin's gonna go up right now and I'm gonna fly him out there. And hopefully, I've got 2 batteries, but hopefully I'll try to save one so that we have enough battery for sunset too. That was incredible. All right, we're still walking the Dragon's Back. That drone flight was awesome. I've been here so many times, I've never had a drone, and this is fantastic. Oh, this is so amazing. On the downside, my second battery is only at half battery. I thought it was at full, so I only have 10 more minutes of drone flight, so I'm saving that. So we're gonna keep hiking for a little bit. I think we're gonna keep going out there to the edge of that ridge and wait for the sun to get below these clouds. I'm gonna put a long lens on and see if I can get closer to some things, pick out some more details. I brought my flash with me too. And I brought my wireless trigger, so I might set up my flash and light up either Tristan or Lady behind the camera and get some epic adventure type shots. This light is getting really good. You see the strip of light all back there, and then these clouds hanging over Cabazon. Beautiful. I think it's just, it could really explode. This could be amazing. I found a really cool tree for one of those lone tree shots, but I don't think it worked the way I wanted. If it did work the way I wanted, then you'll be seeing it right now. If not, I'm gonna keep looking. And I realize that Brittany is like half a mile ahead of us. She's way over there. I got distracted by Marvin flying the drone, so I have a good excuse. But now we gotta book it to where she's at, because she texted me a picture of the landscape, the composition from over there, and it looks amazing. So that's where we're headed, because this stuff is lighting up behind me, and then the sandias over there where Albuquerque is could definitely catch. Ooh, and there is a very large raptor. Oh, that's a raven. False alarm. I mean, not that ravens aren't cool, but I want raptors. That's a really cool composition. Again, distraction. But I found this tree, and Cabazon, the volcanic neck, is like right in the middle of it. So I used the tree to wrap around it and frame it, and then I stuck Tristan in there. So I think that was really cool. All right, back to hiking now, because the sun's going down. Remember how I said I get distracted a lot? I want to show you one more thing. Right over there, there is a trail. That is a mountain biking trail. First time I ever went on it, and almost died. But it's amazing. Times where it's getting amazing in every single direction. The clouds over the sandias are just, the Virga is incredible. And then the Virgo over here is incredible. And Brittany's got one camera and she's gonna be really stingy with it, so I might not get to set up a time lapse. So I'm kind of wondering, I may set up a time lapse with this and then we'll shoot stills with that while the epic light is happening. And then I still have 10 minutes of drone battery left, and that will happen because this stuff is, oh my God, it is just, the clouds are just dropping over there and they're making all of this texture. And Brittany stole my 400. Can I have my 400 back? Please? Please? Man, I've got a 105 and a 16. Yep, I decided on time lapse. Gotta get the tripod. Sorry, I can't help it. I'm a time lapse photographer. Okay, tripod, 16 to 35. Oh, I forgot the pulse because I'm on the 1DX2. It doesn't have a stupid intervalometer. Okay, time lapse time. All right, well, that was one of the most incredible sunsets I've ever seen in my life. And crazily, that was quite typical for out here, which is why northern New Mexico is one of my favorite places in the whole world. So I hope you guys enjoyed White Mesa. I'm really glad that I could come out here on such an epic day and bring you guys with me. I'm gonna wrap it up and call this a vlog because we need to get home, and I'm sure this is probably gonna end up being pretty long. That Marvin footage was pretty cool, I think, hopefully. I haven't seen it yet, but I think you have. So we gotta get out of here before it gets too dark, even though I did bring my headlights. So we're only about a mile or two from the car, so it's not that bad. Blue hour's looking really nice. I wish I could stay out here for astro stuff, but I'm rambling again. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks for coming along with me. If you guys like this stuff and you wanna see more of it, subscribe to my channel. I've got new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you want to see more vlogs like this, let me know, because I want to do more, but I want to make sure the interest is there. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.